Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the new icons for yourself on your League of Legends account. So at first, all you have to do is just launch your game through the right client. And as you launch your game, you're in this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for this store option. And as you see it, just click on it to open the store page. And as you open the store page, again go on right here and select this accessories. And as you do that guys, all you have to do is look at your left at the filter and select this option icons right here. And as you select it, you can see the list of icons. You can get it for yourself. And to buy this icon, you need RP coins. So if you don't have the RP coins, you can just top up the RP coins on your League of Legends account. So guys, that's how you get the new icons on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.